Well, good evening. My name is Milo. I'm the Moluccan Cockatoo. Let me show you around my house. My house is 5 feet or 7 feet. The location is prime, right next to the living room. Yeah. Hello. Oh, I know. I'm showing people your house. What do you think? Alright, right here's the feeding station. I provide him with 2 fresh bowls of water. Milo also has a constant supply of pellets. I will tell you guys what kind of pellets in a different video. He has 4 or 5 different kind of pellets, just so it stays interesting. Then I have a small bowl that usually treats are in. This is some millet right now, but he's looking at my camera, so he's not interested. And then I have another bowl of water because sometimes he makes a mess with his pellets. He drops them in there, which I think is very smart to soften them up. Milo, you smarty. As you can see, his cage has a lot of branches in it. I purchased my branches at the bird store because I want to make sure that they are non-toxic, and I don't have great knowledge of trees, so I rather do let the professionals tell me what is good. Okay. I try to include a bunch of different materials because it's good for their feet to have different widths of wood and materials. So he has one branch that is, I would say stone. It's like really hard, like cement. That's gonna be good for his nails. Then he has one branch back here that is a rope. Actually, it's a tug toy for dogs, but I just made it into a branch. He also has a 100% cotton swing rope that he has not figured out how to use yet, but he will. He loves to swing. Then he has a perch that is has minerals on it. He has stainless steel toys. There is a mineral, this is an ice cream cone stone, I guess you would call it. It's pretty big. Also, right next to that little one, that's a beak buffer where he rubs his beak on. He has used it, not too much yet. There's a basket and 2 more baskets in the back. Stainless steel, and I put his toys in there because he likes to grab them and toss them out on the ground. Again, I try to use mostly natural things for his toys, but every once in a while, like baby toys, I feel if they're good for babies, they should be okay for birds. If I'm wrong, correct me. Then he has a toy right here that I made for him. I try to put only 1 or maybe 2 toys in his cage. I don't want him to get too bored with all the toys. I want him to focus on the one that he has. Believe me, he has plenty. He also has a box on the bottom that is filled to the brim with both natural and plastic oil. Those are pine cones that I actually collected in North Carolina. I baked them for an hour to make sure that they're safe, and I shipped them to myself because where I live, I couldn't find any big cones. There might be some, but I couldn't find any. have sand on the bottom. That makes it pretty easy to clean up. I use a little sifter like this, where you can just, sift through it, and the green one is a fine sifter. So you try to get all the particles, like the foods and stuff, out of here. Once a week I do a real fine comb kind of deal. Then this back here is a Boston fern. I do make sure that I always check the list of safe, non-toxic plants before I put anything in here. As soon as I would see that he's rooting in the dirt or something, I would remove the plant, but as of right now, he has not done that. He just plucks at the leaves every once in a while. I also have purchased what they call a tapestry, which is basically a photo on cotton canvas of a jungle scene. I just thought it would make him maybe feel better. I'm a weird dork like that. Up here I have a big light. Back in the corner you see two bright lights. There are supposedly avian lights that are supposed to have the UV that they need. I don't know exactly, I'm not a specialist in that, but I did see a documentary online that that's not even true, that no light bulbs are able to emit any UVs. I mean, I already had him, so I'm still going to use him. He likes to sit in that upper corner, so I figure he'll get some, but he also gets outside time, so I think we should be safe. Let's see. I don't know if that might be... I have different branches, as you can see, that go up and over and down. That way he has to go into every which direction. The only branch where I wasn't paying attention is this one where he poops on there, but other than that I try to make sure that all the branches are somehow connected so he doesn't soil underneath, which I figure can't be very healthy. But he does chew up everything too, so these branches have to periodically be exchanged. Maybe you can see it right here. Just kind of did a number on this already. Kind of did a number on this. This is his favorite back here. He does sit on the top and swings all the time. That's why his tail is all crumbled up. Some of you have asked, why is his tail all misshapen? That's because this silly boy likes to swing on the top of the cage. This spot is normally for his vegetables and fruit bowl, but right now it's evening, so I've removed it already because we don't leave fruits and vegetables out longer than 2 to 3 hours. So tomorrow morning I'll wash it and he'll get a brand new food. What do you think about that? What do you think about that, bud? You do? Can you dance? Can you dance? I'm just gonna eat some pellets. Alright. This is the Milo show apparently. Edgewise. There he goes. It's going to be swinging. Like I said, his tail's all messed up because of that. Do you see it? Crunch, crunch, crunch. That's it. That's what his tail looks like. So he's healthy. He just likes to swing. Okay, I think it's time for bed.